Dear all, this is Chandramouli, your project management consultant. In this video, we will discuss about change control process. The change requests raised from different processes are used as an input in the Perform integrated change control process. The change requests are reviewed in this process, and the approved change requests are input to the Direct and Manage project work process, which implements the change request. Perform integrated change control process is performed from project inception through completion. It includes the following change management activities. 1. Identifying that a change needs to occur or has occurred. 2. Influencing the factors that circumvent integrated change control, so that only approved changes are implemented. 3. Reviewing and approving requested changes. 4. Managing the approved changes, when and as they occur, by regulating the flow of requested changes. 5. Maintaining the integrity of baselines by releasing only approved changes, for incorporation into project products or services, and maintaining their related configurations and planning documentation. 6. Reviewing and approving all recommended corrective and preventive actions. 7. Controlling and updating the scope, cost, budget, schedule, and quality requirements based upon approved changes. 8. Documenting the complete impact of requested changes. 9. Validating defect repair. 10. Controlling project quality to standards based on quality reports. A configuration management system with integrated change control provides a standardized, effective and efficient way to centrally manage approved changes and baselines within a project. Configuration control is focused on the specification of both the deliverables and processes, while change control is focused on identifying, documenting and controlling changes to the product and the project baseline. Some of the configuration management activities included in the integrated change control process are as follows. Number 1. Configuration identification. Number 2. Configuration status accounting. Number 3. Configuration verification and audit. The change request is submitted. It is analyzed by the Change Control Board. The recommendations of the Change Control Board are forwarded. The project manager, or the review board, makes the decision on the change, whether to approve or not approve. No action is taken if the change request is not approved. If the change request is approved, then the change is incorporated. The status of the change request, approved or not approved, and the action taken if approved, are communicated to the stakeholders. The project manager need to focus on not only managing the changes, but proactively eliminate the need for changes. Steps to be followed if a change is requested by a customer. Number 1. Evaluate and assess the change. How is the change going to impact the project? Number 2. Discuss with team members about the best way to handle the changes. Is it possible to crash, fast track, etc.? Also, try to determine what would be the implication of the change, for example change in scope, schedule, cost, quality, etc. Number 3. Inform customer about the implication of the changes. Number 4. If customer still wants the changes, discuss with the management sponsor and other stakeholders. Number 5. Based on their inputs, if the change is warranted, a change control will need to be formally opened, necessary approvals received, and then the team can work on the required changes. Change control system is a collection of formal, note, not informal, documented procedures, that defines how project performance will be monitored and evaluated. It includes the A. paperwork, B. tracking systems, C. processes, and D. approval levels needed for authorizing change. In many cases, the change control system of the performing organization can be adopted as is for use by the project. Includes a group responsible for approving or rejecting proposed changes. Defined classes of changes can sometimes be automatically approved. All changes must be documented. Changes change the project baselines. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching this video.